guys, welcome back to Creativity Queen. So from today onwards, I'll be giving shoutouts to 3 lucky subscribers at the end of the video. And so please make sure you watch this video till the end. And today we'll be making a marble maze out of a pizza box, and I'll show you how it's played. First, a marble ball. And
let's get ready to rumble!
Sorry, I got a bit carried away, but no problems. I still got the marble ball, and I won't be playing again. So please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and
Do it!
family and
Just do it!
yeah, whoever you want. And leave a comment below in the comment section, because I'm looking forward to your comments. And I guess let's get on with the video. So let's start. Shout goes to Namira, saanvi, and Dreamworld. So you guys can support each other and you might get a shout out, so don't worry. Stay tuned for my next video. So bye bye.